Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to wash your Honda CR-V engine. First, gather your supplies, including a good quality engine degreaser, various brushes, and plastic bags or wrap. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch. Never wash a hot engine. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then, carefully cover any exposed electrical components, like the alternator and fuse box, with plastic to protect them from water. Now, it's time to clean. Apply your chosen automotive degreaser generously to the dirty areas of the engine bay, letting it sit for a few minutes as per product instructions. Use your brushes to gently scrub away any stubborn grease and grime. Once clean, rinse the engine bay with a low-pressure water stream. Be very careful to avoid directly spraying any covered electrical components or open air intakes. After rinsing, it's crucial to dry everything thoroughly. You can use compressed air to blow water out of crevices or carefully wipe down surfaces with a clean microfiber towel. Allow the engine bay to air dry completely for at least 1 hour or even longer on humid days. Once dry, remove all plastic coverings and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Consider applying a non-silicone dressing to plastic and rubber components for a refreshed look. Remember these vital safety tips. Always ensure the engine is cool before washing to prevent thermal shock and potential damage. Wear eye protection and gloves to shield yourself from chemicals and debris. Avoid using high-pressure washers directly on engine components, and never use harsh, abrasive cleaners. For any specific concerns, always refer to your Honda CR-V's owner's manual for detailed guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.